Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add image and video on CapCut Mobile. So first you can start a new project with video on it just like this. And then to add an image, you can just use the overlay option. So let's click on overlay, add overlay, and here choose the image that you want to use. For example, I'm going to just use this image right here. For example, this one. You can click on add, and now here after the photo is added, you can add animation, you can crop it or remove its background. So I'm going to here, let's remove the background. Okay, and now I'm going to add animations into the photo. So just click on the photo and go to animation. Here I'm going to go with the combo animation. Now you can just select the animations that you want, click on a check icon, adjust the duration, and now this is the photo. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can add an image in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.